It's really funny because a lot of people be upset or confused when I tell them that I don't cook. They're like, what? What do you mean? Like, they automatically assume that I cannot cook. And honestly, it's that I don't cook. I know how to cook. It's just, I didn't go to culinary school. Cooking is a labor of love. I don't love you niggas. Like so serious. It's really crazy to me how a lot of people really want you to put forth like all of your skills, put like, hey, be good in the bedroom, be good in the kitchen, be good in the house, be good at work, like all of these things, right? And they're not good at anything. You're not good at financially providing. You're not good at leading. You know, you barely hold on to the job you have. You don't have any solid foundation. It's just, it's mind-boggling to me. It really is. And I am just truly grateful that I'm sticking to it. Yeah. But anyways, I just made me some catfish. All right. Yeah, buffalo style catfish, steak fish catfish. All right, and also some fried okra here as well. So I'm doing good. But crazy work out here.